Module 4 is about using Python to control the hardware in the Raspberry Pi. Now, a lot of this hardware control is stuff that we've seen in the Arduino already, right? When we looked at the Arduino, we talked about how do you write a C or C++, a sketch, to control the GPIO and to make things happen inside the Raspberry Pi. How do you get pulse width modulation working? How do you get I2C working? Things like this using C. We did this in Arduino. Now with Raspberry Pi, we're going to do a lot of the same things in Python. So we're just going to talk about how in Python do you use Python code to control the general purpose I/O and the other functionalities on the Raspberry Pi that directly control hardware. Also, so a lot of this is going to be replicating stuff that we already did in Arduino. We'll just be doing it in Raspberry Pi. But also we'll touch on some stuff that you can't do in an Arduino, because you have an operating system in a Raspberry Pi, and so that gives you the possibility to do a lot of other things. And so we'll look at that. We'll look at, for instance, graphic user interfaces. We'll touch on that. Graphic user interface is supported by an operating system, so you can use that graphic user interface and control the hardware through it or something like that, and we'll talk about that too. Thank you.